Today we are going to see how to use manifest file in our web application. Also, we are going to create a manifest file step by step, and we will try to score our manifest file more than 20%. And after giving manifest file in our web app, we will also achieve this installation button, which will help to install our web app in mobile devices. Okay, so let us start. Now, as you can see, YouTube also provide this install icon. So what happens if you install icon? It will install in your desktop mode, which will show here. The down icon it will come, and if you close this one, and we will go to desktop, this icon it will generate for the YouTube one. So similarly we will do for our project. For this, we will go to our root directory. We will create new folder with the name of setup org. Okay, in this setup org we will create one index file. Select folder. Now we will create new index file over here. We will save it as a PHP. It doesn't matter. You can use as HTML also, but uh, okay, we will try with HTML first. Okay. Now we needed metadata for our application. Before giving metadata, we need to create icon for our uh, web app. Okay. For this, I will go to app icon generator. This one from desktop, we will upload our icon. Okay, and it will generate a file. Okay, then we will open this folder path. We will copy this. We'll go to our folder. We'll paste it here. Extract it. Okay, so Apple Store, this one delete. This Android also delete. And from this, let's rename this as an icon. But we will take this outside, and we will delete this profile. Okay, now also we will need it. We will select our one of file, org icon. We'll select 32-bit file and convert. The file got downloaded. And paste it here. Now we will close this one and this also. Okay, now we will go to our project. We will load some metadata. This metadata loaded will rename our file. Okay. Now let us check this one, our application. Okay. So our metadata loaded successfully. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to create new file for manifest.json. Okay. Now in this file, we will copy our this code. Okay. Now here the ID we will put it as a root one. Okay. The direction, it is starting with left or right direction. We will keep it at the left direction. Language English. The name of your app, we are going to give it setup org. It is standalone. Starting, we will give root directory. Okay, or you can give as the index. This directory, whenever you are using in your mobile device, whenever the app is going to be open, it will hit this page first. So which page you want to redirect to user after opening your app, just give that page name over here or the root name over here. Okay, short name we will keep the same, setup.org. Okay. Color, you can keep any color. uh, we will keep white. Then here, description, setup org step, orientation any. If you are changing your phone direction, it that for that orientation it is. Background color we will keep the same as the theme color. Scope is a root directory. Version, you can give any version, whichever. If you are upgrading version, then you can update it. Okay. Related to this application. Now, if you hosted this application in Play Store separately, then you can give the Play Store URL over here and the ID which you have generated. So for our, we will go ae dot app. Okay. What I mean, I will tell you. Play. See. So this URL you need to provide here. Okay. The platform name. Same it will go for the iPhone uh, and Windows. Okay. So this is for YouTube. So we will remove this one. Then ARC rating. ARC rating, hope you know, if you publish any kind of app, there will be ARC rating. Okay. International rating will be available. That ID, if you are having, then give it. If you not having, then keep it blank. Okay. Then scope extension, you can give from which domain it can be accessed. Okay, that domain you can give here. Then other things, display override. Okay, then icons. Okay, now in this icons, we will see we are having this 32, 48, 60 icons or not. Okay, as we generated from it app icon generator, hope it will have 32, it is having 48, 60 is also having 57, it is there, 72, okay, 92, 92 is there, 120 is there, 144 is there. Okay, same 144 we have given any purpose, it can be any. Then 192, then 192 for maskable. Then 512, it is there. 124 1024 is there. Okay. Now screenshot. Now this screenshot, whenever you are hosting your application, na, like here we will see. I will show in this one. Now this is a web app, okay, for PW only. Okay. If you go here, edit in manifest, you can see the screenshot. Okay, this is a screenshot of your app, what your app is going, or what functionality you need to show to user. The screenshot, you take that screenshot and provide it here. Okay, and the length and size you should mention over here, and the format of the image. Okay, you can give description also, whatever description you needed. Okay, you can put it over here. Now, in our case, we will not give all these details. Okay, just we will provide two screenshot, size of 155. So we will generate this size of image. Okay, we will open this in a paint, resize it, pixel, aspect ratio, remove the click, 40720. Okay, now we will save as org screenshot one in icon folder. Okay, so same thing again we will do for our next screenshot. Okay, what is size of this screenshot? 172 into 543. Same, 172 540. Okay, and we will save as, and we will give the file name screenshot 2. Okay, then close this one. Okay, features, you can give whatever features, it is just testing. Okay, and setup org YouTube something feature, the features which your app is having, just mention that feature. Then category of product, if you are not aware like what categories of your product are, simply go here. Okay, and this, in this platform, here are some categories. The category, you can choose whichever category you are having. We have select productivity. Okay, so this is the only part. Now one more thing, we have also given a shortcut. We will give shortcut setup org name, same we will give org, and then 256. Okay, for this 256 we will generate image, paint, resize, pixel, 56 256. Okay, save as 256. I think it is already present. Okay, it was already present, but still we generated. Okay, so this manifest file has generated. Now our PWA, it for Safari, it is not supporting that much for all Safari version. So for that, you need to add the below code separately for the Safari one. Okay, so here, yes, you need to add this code. In this code we have given mobile app capable, yes it is. Then status of barcode content black, the color you can mention. Then content title we will give org. Then in touch, then the image size all are present in this our icon path. Okay, we will remove this one because it is same, it is in a root directory only. Now here we will give one title h1 test over many test. Then we will close this one. I think we need to rename this file. We will rename this file with manifest. Okay. Then now we will check our application. Okay. So we will give localhost. Localhost our application index.html. Okay. So we have given manifest file which is including. We will check. We will inspect our file. If anything is missing, yeah, something is missing. Unexpected column. Ah, okay. So in our manifest file there is one error. Not about, it was not about YouTube, it was about this. And same thing in productivity. Yeah. So see, our application is ready. And if you go in applications, applications, okay. So here are some error. This 192 failed image. Okay. So we are not having 192 file. Okay, we are not having 192 file. We will create 192 file as well. Just we need to change this one. We need to resize it. 192, 192. Okay. So this got resized. Save as 192 png. Okay. Now we will go here. We will refresh. Yes, see, our error is gone and our all icons are loaded successfully. Also this icon for installation our app, it came over here. We will try to install. Yes, install. Okay. Yes, can you see here, down here in bottom our icon came, and this is what the color which we have given, theme color. Okay. And now we will go here. Now see, this shortcut it is generated. So same thing for mobile, just you need to open a Chrome browser, and in that Chrome browser now we have given why this. Now see why this has been loaded directly, because the root direction we have given to the index file. Because of this index file, it is directly loading our local host. Okay. Here if you go, starting URL, we have given index, and here also we will go. Okay. Yeah, so this index file is loading from the our root directory because we have not given the path of setup org. Okay, so uh, by this you can install your app, and in mobile browser, if you want to install, you want to go to Chrome. Okay, here it has given. We will also show you from here. PWA install mobile app. So there are many nodes are available. Just you need to go same as you can see over here now how we install this in our laptop. Same way you need to open Chrome browser, and in that Chrome browser you need to give URL. After adding this URL, just this install icon will come. Just click on that install, and in ISO app you need to go in Safari or in a Chrome if you are having Chrome in your ISO, and then just give this URL. And after giving this URL, go in more and add to home screen. Just click on add to home screen. Then this will uh, enter it as a app, and it will give you feeling as a you are interacting with app, not as a web application. Okay. Now we need to check our score uh, for our manifest file. Okay, so we will pause this video and we will host our application on our server, and then we will show you our application score. Okay, so we just hosted our application, and now you can see our icon, and this our rating. It's scored out of 29. It is 22. Okay, and some of these errors are like for not having service worker, and not having notification and IRC rating ID. Once you have given these details, our score will be increases. And this thing about the service worker and all, we are going to see in the next video of our PWA series. Okay, guys, thank you for listening, and please do like and subscribe to our channel, and you will find this manifest file in our comment box below, or our in link will be in a description. Okay,